Hello class, and welcome to your solution design assignment for an entrepreneurial personal survey. This is an opportunity for you to actually map your own personal skills, your personal traits, things that are unique about you against a survey instrument specifically designed to highlight four characteristics or four different quadrants in a map. And it'll show you how risk adverse you might be, or how open to change you might be, other areas. So let's go ahead and jump into the first piece of this, which is the survey, the entrepreneurship survey assignment document. I've got a Word document here for you. It's roughly 3 pages long that walks you through all the links, all the characteristics, all the things that you're going to need to do. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to introduce to you a document that's out there from Harvard Business Review, which is on personality types of entrepreneurs. So go ahead and click on that PDF. It's going to take you to a 52-page document that I want you to read. It's got great information in it, and it talks about the traits of entrepreneurs, some of these characteristics that we're going to be exploring. So that's the first thing I want you to do, is go ahead and read that document. Once you've got that document read, we're going to go to the lifeentrepreneurs.com site. So if you click on the link we've got for you here, it's going to drive you to the login area for that site where you can create an account. Now, once we click this, you'll see that I already have an account set up. So I've already created an account. What you want to do is you want to go ahead and create your own account here so it gives you access to the survey. You don't have to pay for anything on this site. So the book that is identified for you here for Life Entrepreneurs, I have a video lecture already established for you that walks you through how to look at the results of this and where they clarify themselves. So you don't have to worry about buying the book. It's not one that is required for you for the course. So let's go ahead and take a peek at the next piece I want you to do. So once you've got that, go ahead and create the account for yourself. You're going to be able to see a results survey. So you want to take the survey. When you do it, it's going to give you a report. This is going to be my report I'm going to share with you. You'll be able to see what I've done is I've captured. Page 1 is just an introduction to you to the data. This always walks through exactly what the components are, what the grading is, and this is part of what I want you to be able to put into a template. So you can see my risk tolerance is at a 75% level. My avoiding the pitfalls is at 50%. All of these are going to be different factors that I'm going to want you to go ahead and put into the document, in addition to the percent for your drive orientation and your direction orientation. Drive and direction are two separate things. It describes them here. And then in addition to that, you're going to be able to see exactly where you plot on this type of document. So in your report, it's going to show you the four quadrants they refer to: passengers, drifters, seekers, and captains. And from the center, how far over you go in drive, which goes this way, and direction, which goes this way. You can see that there are plus and minus directions in both of the areas. And there's also a very good description for you on exactly what a captain is, what a passenger is, what a drifter is, and what a seeker is. It gives you additional information on what you might want to go look at. In addition to that, you're going to have a personal good life gauge percent that I'm going to ask you to map, and your overall life entrepreneurship score of 79% for me and 85% here. So let's go ahead and collapse this, because that was my report. You're going to see that there's an entrepreneur survey results template here. If you open up that template, you'll be able to print that, and you'll see that all of those things that we were talking about, all of them are identified for you here. All you have to do is go into this Word document, type in the number for yourself. You want to save that. This is what your assignment, deliverable to me is going to be, that you have filled this out, that you've taken the survey, you've completed it, and these are your scores. You do not have to create this view for me. Don't worry about that. What I'm looking for is the ability to identify all of these off of that report, capture them, and post that for us. Now, that ultimately is everything that's required of the assignment. Now, we will be talking about the results. We won't necessarily have you share those results unless you want to, but we will talk about the different unique characteristics and what the different types of, I'll call it, scoring would be, because sometimes the scoring is going to be higher than others in certain areas for different people, and everyone's going to have a unique profile, so don't worry about that. Okay? So this is exactly what you have to do for this particular assignment. This is your entrepreneur survey assignment. We want to go ahead and give you a chance to go ahead and map yourself, give yourself a chance to see exactly where you fall into the set of, I'll call it, results that you're going to see identified here. This assignment is worth 50%. Or 50 points. That's 5% of your total course grade. So it is a good assignment for you. Make sure you fill this out. It gives you the chance in Module 1 to start really understanding, when we start talking about traits and characteristics of entrepreneurs, what those mean, especially as we've got them referenced for you. So congratulations. Let's get you an assessment on yourself so we can understand exactly what kind of entrepreneur you are, how high you drift into one of the 4 quadrants, and what some of those percentages might be when it comes to certain things like risk tolerance, risk aversion, things like that. Listen, have a great week. This is a Module 1 assignment. Let me know if there's any problems, issues, or concerns. Call me, text me. Let me know what I can do to help you as you're moving through. Remember also, this should not cost you any money. This is a free survey that you can go in once you create the account. Go in and take that survey. The results then are provided to you as a PDF. Have a great week. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.